Let's make traditional bitter leaf sauce and yam. Hello my lovely people, you are welcome to my cooking channel. Here we have the ingredients for our bitter leaf sauce. Here we have our tomatoes and peppers, a palm oil, fresh Titus fish, otherwise known as mackerel fish, some dried fish, crayfish, seasoning cubes. Here we have our already washed bitter leaf. Here you can see the combination of the bitter leaf, the fresh peppers and onions. Kindly note that you can blend this to a semi-smooth mixture, but I prefer blending mine to a smooth mixture. Here I parboil my fish. After parboiling this with salt, one seasoning cube and onions, I then debone it. I allow this steam for a while. Please do well to like this video. Please do well to subscribe to my channel. At this point of the video, I did not know what went wrong, but I just noticed this clip looked this way, so kindly just manage it. Here is my palm oil. I then saute my red onions in my palm oil and allow it fry for a while. Kindly note that this bitter leaf sauce was one of my favorites when I schooled in Edostate, Ekpoma. I enjoy this with boiled yam and also fried yam. This sauce loves red oil, that's the palm oil, and also red onions, and also some crayfish. Add the crayfish to your own taste. Here you can see I've added the tomatoes and pepper mix. I allow this fry till it looks something like this. You remember this dried fish? This was part of the fish I used for our cook with me. If you don't join my cook with me live streams, kindly do well to join them. They are always very educative. Here you can see I've added the blended bitter leaf and I'll allow this fry for a while. At this particular time, my whole house smells amazing and I was already boiling yam by the side by the time this sauce was already ready. Our sauce is ready. Can you see this? It looks so beautiful and delicious. The pepper, the onions, the dry fish, everything was given in the right proportion. This is something you want to try for your family this weekend. They will definitely love it. Very simple, quite time effective, cheap, and leaves this depth of flavor in your mouth. I served this with boiled white yam. You can feel free to serve yours with boiled plantain, or roasted yam. I'm sure you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. You're welcome to my channel. Over here I do cooking videos and also educative cooking live streams. Please do well to like this video. Please do well to subscribe to my channel and also join my channel membership so you can learn more on how to cook certain African meals. I will see you in my next video. Bye.